Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to share a helpful vocal technique called the open throat technique. Now, this is something that can really allow you to sing with more resonance, clarity, and freedom in your voice, which is what we want. I want you to be able to sing with more freedom and creativity, but the goal is to keep your throat open and relaxed when you sing, just so that you don't feel that tightness or restriction. And an easy way to really feel this is to make the NG sound from the word sing and sustain that NG and slide up and down your vocal range, and it should feel a little something like humming but with more of an open throat. So you can do that just like this. As you make the NG sound, the back of the tongue should lift towards the soft palate and the tip of the tongue should stay down behind the back of your bottom front row teeth. As you sing different notes, pay attention to any spots where your throat wants to close. Those are the places that you need to just spend a little more time and focus on. I hope this simple NG exercise helps to give you a new technique to try out. And that's pretty much it from me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you can download my app if you want more vocal tips like this on the App Store and Google Play. I have a whole bunch of challenges and free training on the app, and that's it. I will see you soon. Peace.